Hello everyone, welcome to this video on learning how to upload a paper into Turnitin. So what you need to do is go into your Blackboard, click on the link for the class, and then you want to click on week 6. When you click on week 6, you will see the weekly schedule. So notice today we reviewed the draft evaluation assignment. There's no class on Wednesday. You're going to work on your draft evaluations and your final draft. And there's no class on Friday. Your final drafts are due to be turned in here on Blackboard by 11:59 p.m. Under our schedule, you're going to see the draft evaluation assignment. You're going to see a scoring rubric for the draft evaluation help. And you're going to see the draft evaluation video that I made to help you with that assignment. Okay, once you fix your draft, it's completely fixed, you're ready to turn it in for the full 100 points, then you're going to go to this link right here that says Essay 1 Final Draft. When you click on View Assignment, you're going to then click on this button here in the upper left-hand corner that says Submit. Okay, and so it should look a little like this. Okay, it's a file upload, so you have to upload a document. If you're using Google Docs, you have to download the essay from Google Docs as a Word file and then upload that Word file back into Blackboard. Okay, your name will be here. You want to give it a title, right? So it could be Essay 1. It's always going to be Part 1. You're going to choose a file. Once you find your file, you're going to select that, put it in. You're going to see another button down here. You don't see it on my screen because you're looking at this from a teacher view, but on your view, you'll see a little square that you're going to have to select, and it says something to the effect of, I promise that the work I'm turning in is original and it is my own work. Once you upload the file, you've given it a name, and you click that, and you've clicked that button, you want to go ahead over here or here and click Submit Paper. Once you submit your paper, a receipt is going to pop up here. If you do not see a receipt, let me know. Okay, because that may mean that Turnitin did not get your essay. Okay, that is it. That's all you need to do to submit your essay. Remember, you're going to go to week 6, view assignment, submit. And from there, it's pretty much self-explanatory. As always, email me if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.